Welcome to our channel. If you've ever dreamed of downsizing and creating a cozy yet functional home, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into some incredible tiny home inspirations that will have you rethinking what it means to live comfortably in a small space. First up, let's talk about the heart of the tiny home, the living area. In a small space, it's all about multifunctional furniture. Look for pieces like fold-out couches or sofas with hidden storage. This not only saves space, but adds that extra storage you'll love. A tiny home kitchen might seem limited, but with smart design, you can have everything you need. Consider pull-out countertops or foldable tables to maximize prep space. Compact appliances like two-burner stoves and mini fridges also make a world of difference. One of the best tricks in a tiny home? Going vertical. Use every inch of wall space with shelving and hooks. This keeps your floors clear while giving you plenty of room to store essentials, from pots and pans in the kitchen to books and decor in the living area. Next, the bedroom. Sleeping areas in tiny homes are often lofted to save space. Think of it as your own cozy nook. If lofts aren't your style, a pull-down Murphy bed can also be a great space saver, providing comfort without taking up floor space during the day. Moving on to the bathroom. Even in a small space, you can have a stylish bathroom. Compact toilets, wall-mounted sinks, and foldable shower doors are all game changers. Add a few decorative touches like plants or small shelves to make it feel inviting. Light is your best friend in a tiny home. Big windows, skylights, and clever lighting choices can make even the smallest space feel open and airy. Natural light not only brightens the area, but also creates a more inviting, comfortable vibe. Another great way to make a tiny home feel bigger? Use your outdoor space. A small deck or patio can serve as an outdoor dining area, workspace, or just a relaxing retreat. It's like adding another room without the walls. Finally, make it your own. From plants to personal mementos, decorating with small, meaningful touches adds warmth and personality to your space. Choose decor that serves a purpose, but also reflects your unique style. And there you have it, tiny home inspiration to create a space that's both functional and beautifully yours. Living small doesn't mean giving up comfort or style. It's all about making smart choices with your space. Thanks for joining us on this tiny home tour. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more inspiration.